Man, such an exciting day today. This was Apple. We took this trade Apple right here to go up. As soon as it started right here, it went down, hit this line, and it's been going up ever since. This was at 249. Now it's at 253 later on in the day. We did get out of this trade somewhere up here, but look how far this went up. Look at this great trade, and it's still moving up. Also, we took US 30 and we took US 30 down. We took it right here at this red line is when the market opened, and then it shot up here and hit our red line that we already had predicted. And ever since that, has been going down the whole day. We made about 3 trades right here, made a lot of money. Just a great day. Here's gold, and we had gold going down. As we see, gold hit right here and went down. And then if you would have just stuck in it, you know, for a little bit longer, you could have had big gains with gold too. So everything is looking good. But I want to show you guys how the bot works, and you could have been trading even without me. But this is a 15 minutes on Apple. It said Apple was going up. It went up. Let's look at 30 minutes if we get any signals. Right here, right before we took our trade, it actually said to take a trade about an hour before to go up from here. We would have won that money. We also would have won this one where it said going up and it went up. Also, we would have won this bounce trade right here that just went straight up after that. That's on the 30 minutes. Let's look at the hour for Apple. And once again, we see that we're winning this big trade right here. We're also winning going up here right before. This is basically a half an hour before the market opened. It told us to take this up also, and we could have just looked at this. So it's doing basically the same thing I'm doing. Here we go on the 4 hours. It told us to take this going up. It told us again to take it going up later on in the day. After already, this is from last week, but if we would have took this trade going up right here, this is a lot of money. Let me show you guys what kind of money this is right here. From here just to here is 1,269 pips. So Apple went up $12.69. And if we would have took that trade to all the way up here, Apple went up $20, which is 1,971 pips. But obviously, when you're trading something low like Apple that's only $253 worth, you're going to be putting more than just one lot on. So if you would have had this at like a 5 lot, you would have made over $10,000 on this trade right here for Apple. Let's look at US 30, and we're going to start at the 15 minutes. Did we get any good trades? We sure did. Right here is where I told you guys to take the trade going down. It went down, and we won a lot of money right here. But there's also another trade right here that's telling us to take it down, and it looks like it's still going down right here. That's 15 minutes. Let's look at 30 minutes. And as you see on the 30 minutes, we got a good call right here to go down. We got another call right here to go down, and then we got the top of here to go down. So those are all great trades. Also, let's look at the hour. And the hour had it going down right here, went down right here, and then it went down again. So we got 3 calls right here. Let's look at how much that would have won for us right here. This is a Monday trade. If we would have stuck in it, that was almost 4,000 pips. We would have made a whole lot of money right here taking that trade. But even if we didn't catch that trade, if we would have caught this trade right here on Tuesday, we could have won a lot of money. That's 2,600 pips. And then if we would have just caught the one today, and that's right here, and it went down to here, that's about almost $800 in pips. A little bit more because I didn't go down to the bottom. Let's go to the 4 hours. Let's see if we got any good trades right here. Look at this, you guys. Look how many good trades you would have won on the 4 hours. Here goes one right here. That's 4,000 pips just to the next signal to tell us to trade down. The next one telling us to trade down. You're talking about 6,000 pips right here. The next one that showed us to go down, we would have been at 10,000 pips right here. If we would have did, you know, let's just say 5 lots on a trade like this, that would have been over $50,000. Let's just look at this last trade right here. Let's just say we got in right here on Monday to take it down when it told us. And it's 5,800 pips from yesterday to today. And that's a very beautiful trade. Let's look at the days and see if it's telling us anything to do on the days. Here goes a good one on the day right here. Let's see how many pips we could have won on this one going down all the way to here. That's 15,000 pips because now we're looking at the day. Also, this one going up right here. Look what happened right here. This is big money. If we start right here and go up, that's about 5,000 pips for the day. And so these things are really rocking and rolling, you guys, really making a lot of money for us. Let's look at gold, and let's look at what the bot is doing. And let's look at the 15 minutes. And we got here, we got one going up, it went up. We got here going down, it went down. We got here going down, it went way down. Let's look at 30 minutes. And here goes one way up here that went down. Let's see what this is doing for us. That would have been 2,000 pips. We're looking at the 30-minute candles right here. Even if we would have got in right here, this is the morning trade that I took, but the bot also called it out right there. If you would have got into that trade, you know, you could have got out in about 2 hours and made 1,100 right here. So just a very, very beautiful time for us to win together. Oh, let me go back and look at a couple more time frames. This is the hour. Here goes an hour trade right here. It told us to take, the only one that told us in a while. But that's 2,700 just to go here. Let's see on the 4 hours. And we got some big trades right here. We got this one going up. That's 3,800. We got this one going up. That's even bigger. Let's look at, it just called a trade going down. So if you guys, you know, take this trade going down right here, it's going to go down. But this one right here to here is about 2,600. And we got the day trades. And this one right here, and it did go down in this time frame. It went down here. We could have got out. And we don't see anything else. Here goes a couple of day trades right here. Let's just say we got in right here and we stayed in for a couple of days. That's 24,000 pips right here. You would have made off of $1. You'd made $24,000 off that trade. So this bot is just rocking and rolling and rocking and doing everything we want to do. And here's Apple. Look at Apple on the day trade. Let's just say we got in on Apple right here. That was the last trade it called out. 3,000. So you're going to times that by like 5. That's $15,000. Apple went up $32 right here. The last call that it made out on the day. Look at Amazon. Amazon went up. One call right here went straight up. Let's look at Tesla. And Tesla, let's go to the 4 hours. And we have a big one, Tesla. This is when Donald Trump was elected. I still got that on this map that day. And it's been going up ever since. But look at this. 14,000 pips going up, $149. That made Elon Musk like, I think it was like $100 and something billion. And that's only 22 days. In 22 days, he made more than everybody had accumulated for lifetimes and lifetimes. Like, wow. Look at NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA is the weirdest one, and it's wrecking havoc on the markets right now because they're saying NVIDIA and let's look at the other one. There's NVIDIA and there's U.S. Health, UnitedHealth right here, and it's going down ever since the CEO got killed. But NVIDIA and this one together are really driving down the markets and just really wrecking havoc. Look. In the last week, NVIDIA went down 6%. Everything else is going up on the US 30. And they added this right here when Donald Trump took office. They put NVIDIA in. And I don't know if that's just to not make the whole thing go straight up. But then you look right here, the other one for the week, 13% down. This is unheard of for, you know, a stock that's one of the top 30 stocks in the world to go down like 13% in 1 week. You know, even Home Depot's down 4%. Chevron's down. Just amazing to look at these things, right? Here goes the last month. NVIDIA down 10%. That means you would have to take 10 of these boxes and fill up this whole thing. But Apple is up 12%. Amazon's up 12%, right? Microsoft's up 8%. Walmart's up 12%. So the big companies are up, but then you see these two companies right here dragging the market down. 17% down since the CEO got killed. NVIDIA 10% down. So we're looking at everything to see, you know, what's the best for us to trade. And we're not trading NVIDIA. It's just too crazy up and down. We don't really trade that. But we have US 30 that's going down. This is a good time to sell US 30. We have gold. We got gold going down. Why is gold going down? We went over that this morning because Bitcoin has been going up. So everybody's taking their money out of the commodities and basically buying crypto. Right on, you guys. Hopefully you guys learned some. We're going to put this in the front of the video. And this just shows like what happened. We're actually how many hours later? So this is about 6 hours later than when I got on the market in the morning. And we're still seeing the same things that I was telling you guys what to do. There's still profitability in listening. All right, you guys. God bless. Have a great day.
In progress.
Hello, 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 everybody. Let's get right to it. Man, the markets look good today. The market's been just doing amazing things. And I remember a couple of years ago that the markets were moving because Elon Musk would say something and people would buy. And now it's now the markets are moving because Trump is saying things. And it's pretty cool. But I was just looking here. Today we had a couple of things happen with the core retail sales for the month. Retail sales for the month right here just came out. It's lower and one is higher. So I was just looking at what is going on here. So this one is a change in the total value of sales at the retail level, excluding automobiles. So actually greater than forecast is good for the currency. And as we see, it's actually lower. So that means it's bad for the economy. Let's see, this happened 27 minutes ago. They dropped this story at the same time this news came out. November retail sales grew at a faster pace than Wall Street analysts had expected, reflecting continued resilience in the American consumer and indicating that the holiday shopping season in the U.S. is off to a strong start. Retail sales rose 0.7 in November. Economists had expected to be 0.6, rise in spending. Huh. So it was 0.2 last time. They predicted 0.4, but it's 0.2. But they're saying it was 0.7. Oh, this one right here. This is the one they're talking about. So this one that is bad, it's not really telling us. There's no real like little news on or anything. Let's see. See if we can find it here sometimes. Monthly retail trade. Annual retail trade survey, the most comprehensive data available on retail economic activity in the United States. More detailed descriptions of these programs can be found by choosing one of the links below. And this is the actual numbers right here. So this was the one that was up 0.7. Advanced monthly retail sales, 724 billion. But we're trying to look at the and it's like that report isn't on here. Core retail sales. So the core retail sales is down, but the one that everybody's talking about, the retail sales a monthly, that's not the core, is up. And that's good for the economy. They were predicting 0.6, but it went to 0.7. And we'll look at what that did to the economy today. But it is a red folder, so you got to watch out for those news events. And we're smooth selling, really. These are little things coming in about 7 minutes, but they're not really big things that are going to happen because they're not red folders. They don't really matter too much to the economy to where it's going to like topple stuff up and down. All right. What I was kind of thinking is this crypto. I'm looking at crypto, and Bitcoin went up $600 in the last 6 hours. Ethereum's been going up like crazy. This is really the coin that I like more than just buying Bitcoin. But everything, I'm looking across the board and everything is going up right now. And then I was reading like the main stories here, and I clicked on this right here. And let me see something. Yeah, I was reading and it was talking about how Trump, look at the El Salvadorian, that country had barely any money, and El Salvadorian president put their all their money in their treasury and stuff into Bitcoin. And look, now he made 632 celebration million. That's beautiful. But I want to read, they just had this story about Trump and I can't find it anymore. But there was a story how Trump just said that he's really going to work with Bitcoin and crypto. And then they're saying that's why it just shot up this. So crypto should be going down right now. It has every year. But now it's going up. And they were saying that was due to Trump. Well, I wish I should have saved that story somewhere. Did I? Let's see. No. Huh. So Bitcoin's up. Ethereum's up. Dogecoin's not. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ether. Like most of the big cryptos are up right now, which is kind of amazing to me. I was going to look at a list of all the biggest cryptos. Let's see here. So here goes all the biggest ones. Bitcoin in the last 7 days. So we're looking right here. This is 7 days. This is 24 hours. This is the last hour. And I'm always kind of looking at the 7 days and to see like what's the general wave. Are people buying, selling? So we see that Bitcoin alone is worth $2 trillion now. That's the highest it's ever been worth on its market cap. The last 7 days, it went up 10%. Now it's at $107,000. Ethereum went up 8%. XRP went up another 21%, which is great. Solana's up. BNB's up. Let's see here. Cardano, the one that I really love, is up 10%. Tron is up. You guys can see Chainlink has really been making moves lately. And a lot of stuff that's like behind the scenes, like Sui up 26%, Polkadot. These are DeFi coins. Here goes Stellar right here up 10%. These are the ones that I'm having people invest in. Here goes another DeFi coin right here. Means that people are believing in the technology. They're putting money into it. Litecoin is another one we have. This one right here is really good. Aave is behind the scenes. It's kind of high right now, but it doesn't have that many coins. So it's really beautiful. It's probably going to just keep on going up, up, up and away. But when Bitcoin goes up, you can bet your bottom dollar that a lot of stuff, a lot of coins are going up. I was looking at something called Blur. I've been researching a lot of coins. I got another one coming out, and this is on XRP. I just finished it last night, but I'll be doing like an intro to XRP today. It'll be in the back office for you guys. But so just very interesting that usually, these Bitcoin and all the crypto goes down around this time of the year. But this year right here is different because they're going by like what Trump is saying, which is pretty cool. Let me see if I can find that story by Trump. It was just right here. That's so wild that so much news has shifted. But that's pretty cool that like the president can say, this is a good thing, this is a bad thing, and stuff just starts soaring and going different ways. All right. And so, there's when something's going up or something's going down, like these are different worlds of financial, like crypto, commodities with metals, energy sector, and then the foreign exchange sector. So when something starts booming up, that means something's been taken away. So let's see, is gold going up and Bitcoin at the same time? No, gold's going down. Gold's going down. So people are taking their money out of precious metals like silver and gold, which is going down. Platinum is so rare that it kind of keeps its value. But let's look at it was going down too. Platinum was going down. You can see that right here. Wow. So it looks like, there's just a steadily decline on the gold because everybody's like taking their money out of gold and going into Bitcoin. So you got to look at stuff like that. When something's doing something abnormal, you got to see like where's the money coming from. And it looks like the money to buy crypto is coming out of the metal markets, the commodities. Let's look at the energy sector. The energy sector is down too. So probably people are less, buying oil. That's the number one way was to make money back in like the 80s and 90s was to buy oil. And that's why it shot up so high. And now, people are saying they don't want to spend on oil. Natural gas went down 2% in the last 6 hours. That's like really fast going down. But you see, even the Brent oil is going down. This is the oil that we put in our cars. The main event in the European session was the UK unemployment report. The data was much better than expected, especially in the wage growth. Russian oil being delivered on more mainstream tankers. So I just find it very interesting. It looks like people are taking their money out of oil and out of energy sector and out of the metals to buy crypto. That's amazing. In this economy right here, this is just countries, the Forex market. So you're not really seeing a major move in anything like that. But what we see today is JPY is really strong. And JPY has been weak for like 2 years. And it looks like JPY is starting to gain some strength against everything. We see it beating every major economy. Now, there's 3 major economies that are worth the most, and that's the euro. Well, number 1 is the USD right here. The second is euro. The fourth is JPY and then GBP. So those are like the countries that are really moving and shaking, and all the money is going in and out of these countries. And JPY, it's a big factor that it's winning like this. Let's see on the currency strength meter here. And we see JPY is very strong. Let's refresh it. Yeah, so JPY is very strong, but it's not strong enough to take trades today because The other ones aren't really that much weaker. And here we go. These are the top 5 economies. We have put the Australia in here, but it's really not as strong as the other 4. Let's look at the other currency string meter we use to see if there's any, major advantage. Now, JPY versus the odd would be something we could look into. But, on the major economies like the Euro, GBP, and USD, there's no, it's only a couple bars away, 4 bars here, 3 bars here. Let's say one of these, if Euro goes up 1 bar, JPY goes down 1 bar, we're almost at the same level. So there's not that big of a difference. But JPY versus the odd, you can see that, the odd needs to get really strong to start defeating JPY. And so that could be a good trade that we could look at, the odd versus the JPY. Let's go into the market and let's see here. And the US 30 has been going down, 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 down. It's in a 100% downtrend. It did hit this little level right here, but this isn't something that you want to expect to come back the other way. That wouldn't be a smart trade because, yes, there is like this level right here. We're going to put a green line right here because this is the support, but you can see that there's just heavy resistance everywhere. And what do I mean by that? There's a resistance, even like right here, the bot called this trade out right here. This is a really good trade if we look at it. And it went straight down. It's going like this right here. And the bot called out another sell right here. And there was a resistance and then it fell again. The bot called a sell right here. So all these trades would have won. The bot called a buy right here. We would have won that. But now this bot is basically the 90% bot, the bounce strategy. And it really won big. This is the second bot that is off of the super trend strategy. And it wins over time. It's not winning at first, and then it comes and becomes a winner. But this right here, I would like to sell when it hits up here, but it might take some time for this to sell and really go down. Let's look at a different perspective. This is our perspective, and the bot's calling out sales again with the super trend that are winning. And it's just in a steadily decline. So we don't want to take this going up. We want to take sales today because it's just been just selling. And it's selling at like a fast rate. Want to sell out. Then where would that be? That's like right here. This is the place that we want to sell this at. So we do kind of want it to go a little higher before we do sell. But you're seeing that every time it hits the middle line, which is a simple moving average, it falls back down. All right, let's look at something else here. And we have gold. Remember, gold was also selling. Let's erase these lines because they're kind of confusing. They're kind of late to the party from last week. But here we go right here. Let's see here. And we're just getting sales. Once again, we're getting sales everywhere. This is the bounce strategy. It always wins, usually more. So we got a buy right here that won really good, a buy right here. And now it's just sell. And what we see here is sales like this area right here. We see a big resistance. right here. We're not buying this. We're just selling this too. It needs to come up higher. It's at 2639. We want to sell at 2644. 2644. I was watching, somebody sent me a video, and a lot of people send me videos on trading and stuff, but there's this video about this kid. He put $100 in to a prop firm 2 months ago, and he made $2 million. Now, I haven't seen his bank account, but it's funny because he's trading like how we're trading off the support and resistance and things like that. So here we go. If this goes up here, we want to take a sale. Let's see how much more time do we have. We have 6 more minutes. Let's look at a couple more things. Bitcoin just been like, come on. And the bot's been catching it too. The bot caught it to go up here. The bot's been catching it going up and going down on Bitcoin. Well, I was thinking about starting a PAM account and having just the bot trade the Bitcoin because it's been so official on Bitcoin. Like the hour Bitcoin, I mean, this is all big wins for the robot. And the thing about Bitcoin, it would be, it would make more money. It's very more swingy, and the Bollinger Band is open more, so there'll be more money to be made on there. I was really thinking about that. Here we go. Apple has a signal that is going up, and look at this, up. It's very, very beautiful. It's going to start down low too. So it's going to start like right here. I like Apple also going up, and we got a signal that it was going up. So Apple, we don't really have to even look too much into that. I like Apple going up because the bot called Apple going up. So I'm just going to, based off of the bot, I'm going to buy Apple at 249. Amazon, we see Amazon's taking off too. There goes the buy we did last week. Look at how much money we would have made on last Thursday when I called that out. I like this also to go up. Everything is just moving and moving and moving. Look at Tesla. This guy made so much money. It's ridiculous. Jeez. Bots calling it. See, you guys could be trading. What you don't understand is you guys could be trading and making so much money just off of what the bot is saying. Look at this. NVIDIA is the only thing that's like going down. It's the only thing. But it's very volatile. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. The bot is calling out a lot of signals down, winning. Buys. Down again. The V just gets a lot of calls. This is the hours. Now, the V is like not based off of just how regular trades move. It's like moving majorly off of the chips and off of different countries talking about them, saying that it has a monopoly and they want to break it up. And this looks like a good trade that's coming down right here, Euro USD. It's been going down. It's at the top. It's super overbought right now. The MFI wants to come down. Everything says that this is going to be coming down right here, Euro USD. And like we know, JPY is really strong. It's really pushing everything down. Yeah, so that's what we got. We got US 30, and it hit this little red line, went up there, and then it started going down already. It didn't get high enough for us to take US 30, but you know, could have already took that and been winning on that one. Here we go with the gold. The gold's trying to reach up. Even like around here is a good sell. Around this area right here is really a good sell. And Bitcoin going up is a good buy. I wish we could have bought down a little lower. But everything is basically doing what we're saying. One of the best is this Apple. We see that Apple is way down here on the pre-market where we're saying to buy, where we're saying to buy at. I'm gonna go ahead and put an Apple trade in, and I need US 30 to kind of go back up. I wish I would have already got it when I was talking, but and I like where gold is. I would want it to go a little higher to take a sale. The best thing that I like is this Apple. You got to wait for the market to start, though, to take even an Apple trade. You can't even take it right now. You got to wait till the market opens. And it just opened right now. There it is. It already went up like we thought. Boom. It just went up super fast like a rocket ship. That's why people were ready for that. That was the best trade. We knew that. Apple is a really, really good trade. Hopefully you guys pushed it and just had it set in there. Let's see what else we got going on. The US 30 went back up a little bit to right here and went right back down. If it goes up a little higher, like we'd like this line to get sales from US 30. So we were right on sales on US 30 also. And gold, where's gold at? Gold's still trying to reach our line, but we could go down with it right here. This is the area that we said we can go back down with it. And there it is, going down like we said. Hopefully you guys got in that one.
No.
Let's look at Apple. Apple's back where we want to buy right here. Then it went straight up. We could have made that money. And you can get back in Apple right here. This is another place that you want to buy Apple again. And so being quick draw McGraw on these trades is a good thing. All right, here goes Apple. This is the area that we want to take it up. So it went real high, $2 up, and then it went back down. And it's saying, buy me again. Let's look at the US 30. The US 30 is trying to reach this red line so we can get back in it and for it to go down. And let's see gold. Gold isn't really doing too much. Let's focus on this US 30 though. And this is the resistance, I mean the support line right here. And it looks like it's trying to go underneath and use this as a resistance to really push down really fast. So if you guys got into US 30 anywhere, you guys are looking good right now. You see it's just falling, collapsing and collapsing and collapsing. And here it goes. If it does reach back up, hit this red line, you know, or pushes through this red line and really hits our best target area to take the trade. That's the best trade right here. The second best trade is right around here where it's at right now. This is a good trade to take down. It's in a extreme downtrend right here. And let's see here. So there it is. I'm in US 30 to go down. This is even going to be a better trade if it goes a little higher. I'm going to take it again. Did anybody sell at that US 30 at the top? Hopefully you had your trade ready. Rocking and rolling. Hit that blue line. Where we want it to go up to. Major resistance back here at this line. There it is again. Look at gold. Gold is going down. Couple dollars since we said to get in. Let's see. Who got Apple? Who got Apple? Who got Apple? Get out of Apple. Get out of Apple right now. I'm trading 3 different accounts. I got to get to Apple. I got to get to Apple. Get out of Apple right now. Oh, where's my account with Apple? Oh, here it is. Beautiful. Yes. Whoo, man. Who got in Apple? Who got in Apple? Come on, you guys. Come on. We got it way down here. Look where it's at. It's the perfect. We got it at the perfect spot. Man, come on. Who got it? Who got it? Who got it? Who got it? Let's go. Get out of there. I just got out right now. I'm gone out of Apple. Woo! Beautiful. Beautiful. Man, that was exciting right there. Man, I know you guys made a lot of money with that Apple trade right there. That thing skyrocketed. We had it way down here. Come on, you guys. Who got that? Wow. Beautiful. It hit our sell too. It hit our sell on US 30. It just hit our sell and it's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. Beautiful. Come on, you guys. Who got US 30? Who got US 30? Please tell me. Somebody. I'm getting out. Get out of US 30. Get out, get out, get out. Yes. Get out, get out. Don't worry about it going down further. Get out. Yeah, let's go. Man, let's go, you guys. We're winning. Let's go. US 30. We got it. We got US 30. We got that Apple, you guys. Apple's still moving up. So if you stayed in the trade and you're not listening to me, get out of the trade. I'm more conservative. When I see those profits rolling in big enough for me, I'm gone. So what did I see? Look at this right here. It hit right here. I got in 2 times. But, you know, that was 400 right here. That's enough. That's enough, you guys. You guys don't have to get more than that. Don't try to get too much, please. Just be happy. Be happy where you're at.
No. I'm not happy where I'm at.
It says in the Bible, rejoice in the Lord always.
I am
So,
not happy. I am not
so we gotta be able to teach you how to, did you get in any of the trades yet? Or you
Are you
still need
talking?
help on it?
I ain't got crap.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you got money in the account. You just need to learn how to push the button. So
Right.
it's gonna work. We also have a demo account for you. So you just need to learn. Like we'll talk later today when you get done, if you're working today.
I'm not.
Yeah, we'll get on the internet around, let's do like 1:00. And
Okay.
we'll just work on pushing the buttons together. Because
Okay.
you seen it's working, but I know it's kind of
Mm.
like right now, just remember that you're just starting to trade. So it's very exciting right now that you just see where we're winning. So you know that when you do start pushing the button, you're gonna make some money. So that's a good thing. It'll be bad if I'm not talking or not excited. It's like
Mhm.
but yeah, we're gonna teach you how to push the buttons today. We'll do some trades together and everything. There it is right there. Look at the US 30. Everybody get out of the first trade I told you to get into. Get out of that one. I just got out of that trade too. Let's go. Yes. Every trade we took is very successful today. Remember, I grabbed this trade right here and I just got out. So look at this right here. This is the other trade. Again, 400, 400, 400. And then right here, we got this Apple, and we got it way down here. And I got out right about here. That was even more money. This calculation right here is a little different because you're going to be putting in more lot sizes because it's just worth $251. So this could be worth really like put a zero on back of this. This could be worth $1,000 how fast it went up right here. But the US 30, all we're trying to get is $300, $400. Did anybody win that? Dave, did you get in this trade, brother? The US 30?
I did.
Awesome. Lakana. Yeah, Lakana's winning, winning, winning. Beautiful. Wow, what a day. We're going to get everybody straight. Dave, call me up when you get off work. Let's do some one-on-one today. I'm very excited about some new things that are happening with the company too. It's really really great stuff that's happening. I had a big meeting last night with the company, and everybody was excited to jump in the academy and to let me trade their money on the PAM account. Look at this US 30. Did we not get US 30? Look, you guys, I said this is the best trade right here, and it wasn't even close to here. It went up here and shot way down here. So if anybody would have just stayed in the trade, look at this. And not as conservative as me, but 1,000, that would have been $1,000 where it's at right now.
Yeah, I took
We
that
had
trade.
this. Huh?
Yeah, I took the trade.
There it is.
Yes,
That's
sir.
Dave. Dave, let's get on the phone today and let's go over
Okay.
everything we got new going on and everything. I know you've been busy. And how's your health going, Dave?
It's going good. I was out of town last week, so I
I've
wasn't
been
on.
praying for you, brother. I love you, man.
Same here, man.
Yeah, let's get back on. We gotta hook up, man. Get on some calls together and stuff. And
All right.
man, I got this MLM coming on. And the thing about the MLM, like the people that are with me right now, like once this launches, it's gonna be a 3x9 matrix. So just get your spot at the top. And I already got a spot especially for you, Dave. So, but get your spot at the top. And then there's a force matrix where people, when they come in the system, they just automatically fall underneath, because it starts off with 3 people. And man, it's gonna be a blessing because it's gonna fill up. And that's the reason why there's not that many people on this academy watching us, because I come from a network marketing background, like most of you guys know. But once people are able to basically make money from recruiting people into this system, that's when this thing's going to take off like crazy. So I've been talking to some people and got some real great strategies on how to take this to the next level with the MLM. Let me see if I can get some. Let me see. There's a video on YouTube that you guys can watch. Let me go here. But there's a video that I had yesterday with this company that I'm really thinking about partnering with. Well, not partnering. Basically, they're going to make the programming for it where it pays out and does everything 3x9 matrix. And this video right here kind of explains everything about it. And so I'll send that to the back or to the WhatsApp, but this is what's going to be the future. And you guys definitely going to want your spot at the top, and tell some of your friends and family members at the top so everybody can make that money with you. It's going to be very beautiful. If you guys ever want to just look back, just go to the YouTube channel, the Beach Trader YouTube channel, and you guys can see, like, this is what we did last week, the live. This is the week before. And we've been winning like nonstop. So what do you think that's going to do when we get like a lot of people in this academy? It's just going to be like phenomenal. Let me see if I have a document that I could open up and show you guys a little bit. Let's see here. I think it's under my other email. And so this is very important too. Trading is very important, but sometimes it's the time that you do things. And that's why I'm kind of like going over this right here, because you guys are all in the academy. And it's like, man, you guys are going to benefit the most. Trust me. Because you guys are going to get placed in the academy because you're already in the academy. So you're going to be the first ones placed in here. But this thing is going to be phenomenal. And here we go right here with the 3x. I'm thinking about a 4x9 or a 3x9. One of my mentors said to do a 3x9 because then people will get paid faster. But a 4x9 will make people even richer. But a force matrix, and this is all the stuff. I actually wrote all this stuff, and then I got with some programmers and a business to kind of help me put all this and program it. But it's going to be very phenomenal. Here goes the levels right here. Like on your first level, when you put somebody in, if it was the 4, you get 11.11, then $9 for your second level when they put somebody in. And when those people put people in, you'll make 480, and it goes down like this. If you fill up your whole matrix, you're going to be making $350,000 a month. And so the people that are going to get in the beginning, 3 people, you know, just think if we had 9 big leaders, those 9 leaders go out and make teams. And we just tell people, just get 3 people, just get, 3 or 4 people. And just because you guys are here at the top, is forced to put everybody underneath you. $350,000 a month is nothing to sneeze at. So, some people are going to put their kids in and their husband and wife to get 2 positions and things like that. And I don't mind. Some companies don't want you to do that, but I don't mind because you guys are the ones that were with me in the beginning before this thing took off. But you guys are in a phenomenal position. You guys are making money trading right now, but there's also this phenomenal position that I'm talking about of when this thing goes into this part. But here it is right here. This is a company that I'm working with, and we're going over everything. The membership fees are going to be $150. The indicators are going to be able to be bought in the back office, but for you guys, I'm just going to throw that into the enrollment fees. But this is a way that people are going to be able to make money, and it's going to be really, really an amazing program. See, like these bonuses that I created, like there's going to be one-time bonuses when you hit levels. This bonus right here, when you hit this level, you're going to make $2 million. When you hit this level right here, when 8,000 people are underneath your team, which seems like a lot of people, but it's not because they're forced under you, you're going to make a bonus of $200,000. And then there's going to be car bonuses and things every month. Those are one-time bonuses, but these car bonuses right here are going to be phenomenal when you hit different positions too. And then there's always this matrix right here where if you fill it up, you make 350,000. But even getting to like the 4th level you know, and filling it up. The fourth level you would make, you know, that's 2,000. That's about $2,400. And this is like really fast is going to happen. And the fifth level, you're going to make about $6,000. When you get to this sixth level and fill it up, all this money together, you're going to be making like almost $20,000. And, you know, it starts getting ridiculous, but just know if you fill it up $350,000 a month, I think you'll be buying houses in San Diego. I'm going to tell you guys, let's buy some houses by the beach because those are always going to go up. But super excited, you guys, about all our growth and everything that's happening with this new company joining up with us. We're going to really just blow this thing up, man. It's going to be a beautiful. This thing went all the way down. US 30 is trying to get back up. Would I take another trade? I would if it went up higher, maybe hit this red line somewhere. I don't like this down, you know, right there. We got out of all our trades. Look at this right here, you guys, the gold. We got in right here. I didn't even take this trade, but I called it out. And look how far it went down. You guys could have made money with this gold trade too. This is big money right here too. 330 where it's at right now. And then we had that Apple going up. You guys, come on. Who took the Apple? Let's go. Dave did. So, you know, somebody might have got scared because it started going down first, but we didn't say to get in until it went down first. So look how far it went up. That's about $2,600 you would have made if you were doing like an average lot size on this Apple trade. So this was the biggest trade, like we said. We looked over everything and we said, well, market doesn't look too good everywhere, but the Apple looked the best. And did we take the best trade, you guys? Think about it. Look at this right here. We didn't even get into none of the other stuff, but oh my goodness, I'm so glad that, you know, that we seen that Apple trade and knew to go up with that. So what were we looking at? US 30 to go down, which it went down. It hit our line. Look at it. It wasn't even close to our line. It hit our line and went straight down when it hit that line. Everybody won. We had gold. We said to get up here, but we said this is even a good place a couple times on the video when you guys watch it. And so we could have took that down. But our best trade was Apple. We said, man, if it hits this green line, which it wasn't even close to it, right? When it opened up, it was higher. But then it hit this line and went straight up after it hit that line. I mean, come on, you guys. God bless us. Does anybody have any questions? I'm going to make this XRP video for you guys because there's a part in the academy that you guys need to be back here watching stuff, but there's a part where it shows you how to make the trades too. Right here, complete trading tutorial, how to make a trade. It's like a 48-minute video, and I go over a lot of stuff on how to make trades here. So you guys can go over that, but I'll take you guys one by one to teach you how to do it too. But right here, the crypto part right here, you know, we have lots of videos about crypto that are really going to help you guys. Ethereum. What is Ethereum? Right? What is Bitcoin? The #1 video. Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. And then we're going to have XRP in here. We'll have XLM because I want you guys to really know what they're about. They're just like 10-minute videos. They're not even that long. Let's see how long this video is on Cardano. 5 minutes. This is a 5-minute video here, you guys, to learn about Cardano. That's beautiful. You don't have to spend all your time, you know, just watching videos, but these are good like introductions to what it is. This is a 9-minute video on Solana because I love that one more actually. Let's look at the Ethereum video. How long is the Ethereum one? The Ethereum one is 18 minutes. So see, Ethereum is my favorite coin to buy out of every coin. So I made it a little bit more serious, a little bit more detailed because I wanted people to really understand it. But this XRP video will probably be, you know, 6 to 7 minutes. The other ones are going to be probably under 10 minutes. Great presentations though. Let me show you guys what the presentation is going to look like. And it has a lot of information. Transforming global payments. A lot of people don't know, like, what is XRP for? But that's what it's for global payments. When did it come about? 2012, right? It faced that legal issues. This is what it's about. It's about speed. And so low fee, speed, scalability, energy efficiency. Major partners, you guys probably don't know, they're partnered with American Express, Santander, and over 300 financial institutions worldwide. It's used, or ODL is used in Southeast Asia, Latin America. These are paid services. So instead of like the money tree and going down there, which my dad still goes to to pay his bills, but you'll be able to use XRP in the future. So here we go. What's the difference between Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP? You know, controversies, what lies ahead, you know, the focus. So I'll be doing these videos on the crypto. If you guys have any crypto you really want me to look at for you, I'm going to go over the top 20 cryptos that I tell people to buy. And these are the ones right here. If you guys ever want to know, like, what are my top 20 cryptos that I tell people to buy? The more money you have, the more of these coins I tell you to buy. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polygon, Shiba, Tron, SUI, Toncoin, BNB, XLM, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Avalanche, Chainlink, Litcoin, Dogecoin, GMX, Optimist, and Blur. Those are the ones, you guys. US 30 still tanking. Beautiful, beautiful. So if there's no other questions, I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. I'll make a video. We'll be able to watch this later. We have big wins today. I'll make the XRP video. Gail, call me at 1. And Dave, call me when you get done with work. All right, buddy?
Okay.
All right. All right. God
Sounds
bless you
good.
guys. Love you guys. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.